10 next-level survival gear and gadgets on Amazon. Survival gear has come a long way since the days of basic knives and matches. With the explosion of outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists seeking top-notch equipment, the market has evolved, offering innovative, durable, and even stylish tools designed to make the toughest situations a little more manageable. Whether you're gearing up for a camping trip, prepping for an outdoor adventure, or just looking for some high-quality survival gear to have on hand, Amazon has you covered. Today we're diving into 10 next-level survival gear and gadgets that will take your outdoor experiences to new heights. Let's get into it. Leatherman Tread MultiTool Bracelet. The Leatherman Tread MultiTool Bracelet is the ultimate fusion of practicality and fashion for anyone who values having the right tool at hand, literally. This innovative bracelet combines the functionality of a multi-tool with the convenience of wearable gear. Equipped with over 29 tools, including screwdrivers, a bottle opener, wrenches, and a cutting hook, the Tread is perfect for quick fixes in the field. Whether you're hiking, cycling, or in an emergency situation, you'll always have essential tools within arm's reach. While it's designed to be worn as a bracelet, it's surprisingly sleek and stylish, so you won't look like you're heading out on a survival mission, unless you want to. Xed Downmat 7 sleeping pad. If you've ever spent a night on the cold, hard ground, you know how essential a good sleeping pad is for a comfortable camping experience. The Xed Downmat 7 sleeping pad takes comfort and insulation to the next level. Designed with high-quality down insulation, it offers incredible warmth and support, making it ideal for colder climates. This pad inflates quickly and provides a cushioned, insulated sleeping surface so you can rest easy even on the roughest terrain. At just under 2 pounds, it's relatively lightweight for the warmth it provides, making it great for both backpacking and car camping. However, the price may be a bit steeper than traditional foam pads, but when you compare it to the level of comfort and warmth you get, it's well worth the investment. If you're serious about your outdoor comfort, the Xed Downmat 7 will keep you sleeping like a pro in the wild. BioLite Solar Panel 5+. When you're off the grid, staying powered up can be a real challenge. The BioLite Solar Panel 5+ solves that problem by providing a reliable, eco-friendly way to charge your devices in the great outdoors. This 5-watt panel is compact and features a built-in battery to store energy for later use. It can charge phones, lights, and even small devices like GPS systems, making it an essential tool for any off-the-grid adventure. The foldable design makes it easy to pack and carry, and the integrated kickstand allows for optimal positioning to capture the most sunlight. A unique feature is its sun power technology, which maximizes the energy capture efficiency. Coleman 2000-watt camp propane grill. For those who love to cook up a good meal while camping, the Coleman 2000-watt camp propane grill offers the perfect combination of power and portability. This compact grill runs on propane and delivers a powerful 2,000 watts of cooking power, so you can easily whip up burgers, steaks, or even veggies with precision. The grill has an easy-to-clean surface, a stable base, and a collapsible design, making it convenient to store and transport. Its wind black panels are a great feature, ensuring that you can cook even in breezy conditions. While it's not as large as a full-size grill, it's ideal for smaller groups or individuals who want to enjoy a hearty meal while out in the wild. Alps Mountaineering Taurus 2-person tent. The Alps Mountaineering Taurus 2-person tent is a great option for campers looking for a lightweight yet durable shelter that can withstand the elements. Made from high-quality polyester and featuring a robust, weather-resistant design, this tent offers a comfortable sleeping area for two. The spacious interior, coupled with easy setup instructions, makes it a favorite for first-time campers and experienced adventurers alike. It has an excellent ventilation system with multiple windows to keep air circulating and minimize condensation. One of the standout features is its ability to handle wind and rain, making it suitable for various weather conditions. Hydro Flask 64-ounce Growler. Staying hydrated on the go is crucial, but why settle for a regular water bottle when you can have the Hydro Flask 64-ounce Growler? This insulated growler keeps your beverages cold or hot for hours, whether you're carrying water, coffee, or your favorite brew. The 64-ounce capacity ensures that you have enough liquid to last through a long hike or outdoor day. The stainless steel design is durable, and the double-wall vacuum insulation ensures that your drink stays at the right temperature no matter how extreme the weather is. Plus, its wide mouth opening makes it easy to fill and clean. The only potential downside is its size, At 64 ounces, it can be a bit bulky to carry for some, but if you're looking for a sturdy, reliable hydration solution, this Growler is the ultimate companion for any adventure. Vargo titanium folding utensils. When weight and space are critical in your gear, the Vargo titanium folding utensils stand out as an essential piece of survival equipment. These ultralight folding utensils are made from durable titanium, making them strong, corrosion-resistant, and incredibly lightweight. The set includes a spoon, fork, and knife that fold into compact shapes, so they take up minimal space in your pack. The titanium construction ensures they are not only durable, but also resistant to high temperatures and rugged outdoor conditions. While they may feel a little thin compared to regular utensils, their performance in outdoor scenarios is unmatched. I found Sports Altos 2-person tent. The Teton Sports Altos 2-person tent is perfect for those who want a reliable shelter that balances space, comfort, and weight. Designed for 3-season use, it's built with high-quality materials that keep you dry and comfortable, whether you're dealing with light rain or high winds. The spacious interior offers plenty of room for 2 people, with a vestibule area for storing your gear. The tent is easy to set up, even for beginners, and features excellent ventilation to reduce condensation during the night. One of the highlights is its lightweight design, making it a great option for backpackers who want a durable yet portable tent. The downside is that it may not offer the same level of weatherproofing as more expensive tents in extreme conditions, but for moderate weather, it performs exceptionally well. Gerber Suspension MultiTool. The Gerber Suspension MultiTool is an excellent choice for anyone looking to have a tool that covers a wide range of needs in one compact, accessible design. With 12 tools, including pliers, wire cutters, knives, screwdrivers, and scissors, this multi-tool has you covered for almost any task. It's designed with an ergonomic handle that fits comfortably in your hand and has a robust, durable construction, making it ideal for both outdoor survival situations and everyday use. The only downside, it's slightly bulkier than other multi-tools, but the trade-off is its versatility. If you're looking for a high-quality, multifunctional tool that can handle anything from light repairs to survival tasks, the Gerber suspension is an excellent choice. Patagonia Better Sweater Fleece Jacket. When the weather turns cold, the Patagonia Better Sweater Fleece Jacket is a warm and versatile addition to your survival gear. Made from recycled polyester fleece, it offers lightweight insulation and excellent warmth retention while remaining breathable. The jacket's sleek design makes it perfect for layering during outdoor activities like hiking or camping. It's also equipped with multiple pockets to keep your essentials handy and has a durable, smooth exterior that resists wear and tear. While the Better Sweater is perfect for cold weather adventures, it may not provide the same level of waterproofing or wind resistance as more technical jackets, so layering it with a weatherproof outer shell is recommended in harsher conditions. From multi-tools and tents to high-tech gadgets, the right survival gear makes all the difference when it comes to staying safe and enjoying your time in nature. So, gear up and let these top survival essentials elevate your next outdoor adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting us know which survival gear you can't wait to try.